First, add a glue bottle into each bowl.
Then fill each glue bottle halfway with hot water and dump it into each bowl.
Then, add a spoonful of borax and dump it into another cup of hot water.
I kind of messed up on this part, so it's a little funny, and I dropped the spoon in the borax box. Next, stir it, and also stir the borax until it dissolves. Add lotion. Add shaving cream and stir it.
Then, add the borax with the hot water.
And put a little bit at a time and stir it until you get the right texture. Now take it out and knead it and add some shaving cream into it. And we had the gel kind that turns into foam, so we had to put it on our hands first.
Then, add food coloring.
Thanks for watching!
Smiley face.